Did you know that a simple ingredient in your kitchen could hold the key to fighting infections, improving heart health, and even supporting cancer prevention? Today, we'll uncover the fascinating medical secrets behind one of nature's most powerful superfoods, onions. Get ready to explore how this humble vegetable can transform your health, backed by science and medical research. Types of onions. Red onions, high in quercetin and flavonoids. These onions help combat free radicals and reduce cancer risk. Green onions. Often used as garnishes, they offer similar health benefits in a milder form. Yellow and white onions. Excellent for general health with strong antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Nutritional profile of onions. Calories, 45. Carbohydrates, 11 grams. Fiber, 3 grams. Protein, 1 gram. Fat, 0 grams. Sodium, 5 milligrams. Key compounds: calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, quercetin, and sulfur. Top health benefits of onions. Boosts immunity. Onions' high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system, protecting against infections and common illnesses like colds and flu. Natural antibiotic. With antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, onions act as a natural antibiotic, enhancing the body's ability to fight diseases. Heart health. Onions contain sulfur compounds that lower cholesterol levels, prevent blood clot formation, and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Cancer prevention. Rich in antioxidants like quercetin, onions help fight oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of cancers such as colorectal, ovarian, and stomach cancers. Weight management. With low calories and high fiber, onions promote satiety, support digestion, and aid in weight loss. Improves skin and hair. Onions enhance collagen production, which supports skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles. Additionally, they strengthen hair, reduce dandruff, and prevent hair thinning. Supports bone health. Onions' calcium and sulfur compounds strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Regulates blood sugar. Onions can lower blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or at risk of the condition. Promotes digestive health. Their fiber content and antibacterial properties improve gut health and prevent bloating. Enhances respiratory health. Onions' anti-inflammatory properties relieve respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. Benefits of onion juice. Reduces wrinkles and signs of aging. Detoxifies the body by removing harmful toxins. Lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Supports heart health and boosts metabolism. Helps treat acne and prevents skin blemishes. Alleviates menstrual irregularities. Relieves ear inflammation and pain. Strengthens bones and reduces joint pain. Promotes better sleep. Who should be cautious? While onions are incredibly healthy, they may cause gastrointestinal discomfort in individuals with sensitive stomachs or conditions like acid reflux or IBS. Cooking onions instead of eating them raw can help reduce such effects. Onions are a versatile and nutritious vegetable that can significantly improve overall health. From boosting immunity and heart health to aiding in weight loss and enhancing skin, onions deserve a place in every diet. For the best benefits, incorporate a variety of onion types raw, cooked, or even in juice form into your meals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means so much and helps us create more valuable content for you. See you in the next video.